Hey, do you know that you can make your anatomy drawing looks impressive just by applying one simple trick? So today in this video, I am going to reveal a secret technique. After applying this trick, you will be able to improve your drawing quality in a very good way. By the way, my name is Stellar. I am also a beginner artist. I have been drawing for 6 months now. This technique has helped me a lot in improving my drawing, and this technique has completely transformed my drawings. But do watch the video till the end. Believe me, this video will prove to be very useful for you. It's been 2 months since I started drawing anatomy, but I was not getting the results I wanted, like other YouTube artists draw. I would spend the whole day watching anatomy drawing tutorials, and when I would draw, I would face proportion problems, like sizes of body parts not matching with each other. Sometimes I would draw the poses in flat shapes. That's why I was not able to draw with confidence. Due to demotivation, I was also not able to maintain consistency. So now I have decided that my art journey will continue, but in a new way, and that too with planning. Before planning, I wrote down my mistakes, what mistakes I made in these 2 months. So my biggest mistake was watching anatomy tutorials on YouTube all day, in the hope that I would find something that would improve my anatomy drawing, or get to know some tips and tricks that would solve all my problems. The second biggest mistake was that I used to select random reference poses. I used to select those poses which attracted me. The third mistake was that I started drawing the reference directly, due to which the size of body parts like face, legs, arms, and chest would be drawn small or big, due to which the sizes did not match with each other. So, to solve these problems, I created 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. In level 1, I took 360-degree reference poses without any perspective. In level 2, I selected simple perspective poses. To make the third level hard, I will directly draw the poses in this level. That too with shadow and details. So to pass the first level, I would draw shapes on top of the 360-degree reference poses. In this level, I would neither add shadow nor details. I achieved the first level easily. Now it was time for the second level. In the second level also, I used the same formula, but this time with a simple perspective. No shadow and no details. Third level proved to be a little challenging for me because I added a lot of things in the third level like shadow, lighting, and details. To make the third level more difficult, I would draw the poses directly. I would add shadow and some details as well. With this simple trick, or you can say with planning, I saw improvement in my anatomy drawing sometimes. This trick was used because now whenever I see reference poses, I realize which poses I am incapable of drawing. I hope this video would be useful for you, and for such tips and tricks, definitely subscribe to the channel.